Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to layer in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get this square blank template. Now let's add my first image and add the second image. As you can see, the images are this one, or the second one is on the top of the old one. To reverse this order, just select the one of the top. For example, go to position from this toolbar and click on backward. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and click on backward or to back to put it directly to the background. Same thing, and if you want to make it a little bit forward, just click on forward. And this is how to layer images in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.